Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we are mastering the word could. Let's get started. Past ability. When I was a teenager, I could run 15 miles. She could read at the age of 5. He could read without glasses years ago. I couldn't sleep because of the noise. I couldn't answer your call yesterday. She couldn't pass her driving test on the first try. The store was closed, so I couldn't buy any milk. We couldn't find the correct answers anywhere in the textbook. We couldn't find your house last night. Could she understand English before moving here? Could you walk when you were 11 months old? Could you speak publicly without feeling nervous in school? Polite requests. Could you please pass the salt? Could you please give me your pen? Could you open the door, please? Could you listen to me for a moment? Could I get a glass of water? Could we meet tomorrow instead? Could you please tell me the way? Could you please take a photo of us? Could I have some more coffee, please? Could you pack the leftovers? Could you keep an eye on my bag for 2 minutes? Could you wake me up at 6 a.m. tomorrow? Could you text me the address of the new office? Could you pick up some milk on your way home? Could you remind me to call Neha tonight? Permission, formal/polite. Could I talk to Mr. Rahul? Could I see your documents? Could I ask you a personal question? Could I keep a copy of this file? Could I look at your photo album? Could I leave my coat here? Could I sit here? Could I see the doctor now? Could I borrow your umbrella for 5 minutes? Could I join you for lunch? Could I print a few pages from your printer? Could I charge my phone using your charger? Could I put you on hold for just a minute? Could I leave a message for Dr. Smith? Possibility/guess. This plan could work. This dog could bite someone. I could forget this password again, so I should write it down somewhere. It's okay. This could happen to anyone. I still don't believe he could do such a thing. The package could arrive tomorrow morning. He could still change his mind. They could arrive earlier than expected. This could take a few more minutes. We could find a better solution together. Prices could go up next month. My entire project is gone. Who could do such a thing? Thanks for watching.